Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add a business credit card to existing Chase account. And here is a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily do that. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app, then log in with your username and password. Then on the dashboard you have to select profile and settings, then scroll down and click account settings. So under the account settings, choose link an account choose link an account or add a credit card. So enter your business credit card number and the required details, maybe your CVV and the other information required on the field. Then review the information and click submit. Then from there, your business credit card will now appear under your existing Chase account. And from there, you've successfully had a business credit card to your Chase account. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.